Hey, I'm here to do another video on this mixer here. I did one before, a little review of it, how to hook it up. And I've been getting a lot of questions about the effects on it. There is, and if you set them right, you can hear them. I'm just going to show you how to do it in case you don't know. I just got a little radio hooked up to it where they're doing some talking. Really don't pay too much attention to that, but just to show you, first thing I'm going to do is just, set your masters. Turn this up, whatever channel you're on. And then this is what we're going to do. Over here, turn your master up. Then on whatever channel you're on, turn that knob all the way up. Then over here, you have these two knobs, effect send, and then your aux. And then you got a button here. You're going to press that button, which turns them on. Then turn your effect send all the way up. And now if you can hear how it changed, and I'll go through them.
Thing about Kim's situation, not only she admitting she
you hear the echo added to it.
College fund was supposed to cover expenses, but she completely lacks remorse. She feels stressed, but not once.
You got like a little stadium echo there, or whatever you want to call it.
Blowing it in 3 short years.
There's another echo.
This girl and got her over this, got her on a spit, roasting her over a barbecue somewhere, and
they're not really special. You can turn this up even more if you want more added into it.
Because she's obviously a little twit. I mean, it's sad.
But you can hear a little difference.
I mean, if that was your kid,
that's how you turn them on and get them to work. That's about it on this one. This is a good mixer. It's I forget how many watts it does, but it's a good mixer. For what I use it for, just around the house and having little parties. And I got a little band that comes over here and plays guitars and stuff. But that's how the effects work. Hope it gives you a better understanding. And you just can't turn this up and expect it to work. There's a few more steps to it.